Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. Which AWS service can be used to store Amazon MQ broker logs? Amazon S3. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose. Amazon CloudWatch Logs. AWS CloudTrail. Amazon MQ can be configured to send broker logs to Amazon CloudWatch Logs, centralizing log storage and enabling analysis and alerting. What is the purpose of the max frame size setting in Amazon MQ? To restrict queue size. To limit message body size. To control the size of AMQP frames. To cap topic size. The max frame size setting controls the size of AMQP frames in RabbitMQ brokers, affecting network efficiency and reliability. What is the purpose of the max connection setting in Amazon MQ? To set the max number of queues. To restrict message size. To cap the number of topics. To limit the number of client connections. The max connection setting limits how many client connections a broker accepts, helping to manage resources and prevent overload. Which type of instances can be used for Amazon MQ brokers? MQ.M5 and MQ.T3 types. RDS-M4 and RDS-T2 types. EC2.C5 and EC2.R5 types. Elastic8.M5 and Elastic8.T3 types. Amazon MQ offers MQ.M5 and MQ.T3 instance types, designed specifically for message broker workloads. How does Amazon MQ handle broker configuration? Through the AWS Management Console or API. Only through property files. Only through XML files. Only through command line tools. You can configure Amazon MQ brokers easily through the AWS Management Console or by using AWS APIs, simplifying setup and management. How does Amazon MQ support message prioritization? By producer type. Using priority levels in message headers. By message size. By queue naming conventions. Amazon MQ supports message prioritization by allowing you to set priority levels in message headers, ensuring important messages are delivered first. How does Amazon MQ support hybrid cloud deployments? By syncing with on-premises LDAP. By offering an on-premises management console. By allowing on-premises systems to connect via VPN or Direct Connect. By providing a downloadable broker. Amazon MQ supports hybrid deployments by allowing on-premises systems to connect securely to MQ brokers via AWS VPN or Direct Connect. Which AWS service can be used to encrypt Amazon MQ messages at rest? AWS Key Management Service. AWS Certificate Manager. AWS Secrets Manager. AWS Cloud HSM. Amazon MQ uses AWS Key Management Service to encrypt messages at rest, allowing you to manage encryption keys and control access to encrypted data. What is the purpose of producer flow control in Amazon MQ? To prevent broker overload. To prioritize certain producers. To encrypt producer connections. To schedule message production. Producer flow control in Amazon MQ prevents a broker from being overwhelmed by slowing down producers when resource usage is high, ensuring stability. Which AWS service can be used to trigger SNS notifications based on Amazon MQ alarms? AWS Lambda, AWS Event Bridge, Amazon CloudWatch, Amazon SES. You can set up Amazon CloudWatch alarms for Amazon MQ metrics, which can then trigger SNS notifications for critical events. Which feature of Amazon MQ helps in disaster recovery? Global data replication, multi-AZ deployment, automated snapshots, cross-region RED replicas. Multi-AZ deployment in Amazon MQ ensures that if one availability zone fails, the broker in another zone can take over, aiding disaster recovery. How does Amazon MQ ensure message security in transit? Using AES 256 encryption. Using RSA encryption. Using MD5 hashing. Using SSL/TLS encryption. Amazon MQ ensures message security in transit by using SSL/TLS encryption, protecting sensitive data as it moves between clients and brokers. What is the purpose of the optimized for latency setting in Amazon MQ? To enable in-memory queues. To compress messages. To reduce message delivery time. To use faster storage. The optimized for latency setting in Amazon MQ is designed to reduce message delivery time, suitable for applications requiring quick responses. Which AWS service can help manage Amazon MQ as part of a microservices architecture? AWS App Mesh, Amazon ECS, AWS Fargate, Amazon EKS. AWS App Mesh can help manage Amazon MQ in a microservices setup by providing application-level networking, making message routing more efficient. Which AWS service can be used to monitor Amazon MQ brokers? AWS Systems Manager, Amazon CloudWatch, AWS Config, AWS X-Ray. Amazon CloudWatch provides metrics, logs, and alarms for monitoring the performance and health of your Amazon MQ brokers. How does Amazon MQ handle broker upgrades? With minimal downtime during maintenance windows. By stopping all connections. By duplicating all messages. By requiring manual broker restarts. Amazon MQ performs broker upgrades with minimal downtime during scheduled maintenance windows, ensuring service continuity. How can you implement message deduplication in Amazon MQ? Only by client-side tracking. Only by hashing message content. Only by using external databases. Using message properties and selectors. Message deduplication in Amazon MQ often uses unique IDs in message properties, along with message selectors to filter out duplicates. How does Amazon MQ handle broker authentication? Only using API keys. Only using OAuth tokens. Only using SAML assertions. Using username, password or SSL certificates. Amazon MQ supports broker authentication using traditional username, password pairs or more secure SSL client certificates. What is the primary benefit of using Amazon MQ over self-managed message brokers? Greater protocol flexibility. Reduced operational overhead. Lower cost. Higher message throughput. By using Amazon MQ, you can significantly reduce operational overhead as AWS manages the setup, patching, and maintenance of the message brokers. What is the primary purpose of Amazon MQ in AWS? To provide a fully managed message broker service for application integration. To provide a distributed file system. To provide a NoSQL database service. To provide a serverless computing platform. Amazon MQ is a fully managed message broker service that simplifies the setup, operation, and management of message queues, enabling seamless communication between different components of distributed applications. What is the purpose of the prefetch setting in Amazon MQ? To schedule message delivery. To enable message batching. To increase message priority. To improve consumer performance. The prefetch setting allows consumers to fetch multiple messages at once, improving performance by reducing the number of network round trips. Which AWS service can be used to audit API calls made to Amazon MQ? Amazon Guard Duty. Amazon Inspector. AWS CloudTrail. AWS Security Hub. AWS CloudTrail records API calls made to Amazon MQ, providing an audit trail for security analysis, resource change tracking, and compliance auditing. How does Amazon MQ support cross-region messaging? By global message replication. By connecting brokers in different regions. By leveraging Route 53 geoproximity. By using inter-region VPC peering. You can set up cross-region messaging in Amazon MQ by securely connecting brokers in different AWS regions, enabling geographically distributed architectures. What is the purpose of the consumer priority feature in Amazon MQ? To set message importance. To rank consumer permissions. To order consumer connections. To control which consumer gets messages first. Consumer priority in Amazon MQ lets you control which consumers get messages first from a queue, useful for handling high-priority consumers. Which feature of Amazon MQ aids in implementing the circuit breaker pattern? Only by manual intervention. Using connection and prefetch limits. Only by client retries. Only by external health checks. Circuit breaker patterns in Amazon MQ can use connection limits and prefetch settings to prevent a failing component from overloading the broker. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.